What's up guys, it's Jeff Benjamin with iDownloadBlog. So if you saw my last video, you know that Apple released iOS 8.0.1 and it had some major issues. It was a major fail. It caused cellular data not to work on the iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus. It also caused Touch ID not to work. You can see I'm running iOS 8.0.1 on this device and you see the no service in the upper left hand corner, but no big deal. It really isn't that huge of a deal. I mean, obviously, if you're out and about and you're not near a computer, it's a big deal, but you can always downgrade back to iOS 8. Yes, Apple is still signing iOS 8.0. So go to iDownloadBlog's download page, find your firmware here. Here's my iPhone Plus iOS 8.0 firmware and save that to your desktop. And now you want to hold the Alt key on your keyboard and click check for update. Yes, check for update and then find the firmware file, which should be on your desktop. Here's mine right here. I'm going to select open. The reason why we check for update, because this will, as it says, it will update your device. It seems kind of silly because you're actually downgrading, you're not updating. But the reason why we do an update is because we want to keep all of our settings and all of our files on our phone. This will allow you to go back to iOS 8 and maintain everything business as usual. That way you don't have to do a clean restore and then restore from iCloud or your iTunes backup or anything like that. So just make sure you choose restore from update. That way you can downgrade. It's not an actual update per se, but you're downgrading. Well, I guess you could consider it an update because, yeah, things actually work in iOS 8.0, whereas they don't in iOS 8.0.1. But you get the point. It's actually you're downgrading back to the previous firmware, but it allows you to keep all of your settings and all your files on your device. So it's imperative that you do that. Once you do, just follow through with the complete restore process or the upgrade process or downgrade process, whatever you want to refer to it as. And as you see right here, my device is slowly but surely updating. So in a few seconds, or maybe a few minutes, my phone will be restored to iOS 8.0. And I will have cellular data. I can actually talk on my iPhone again. So now it's been updated. Click OK on the iTunes message there, and you're done with iTunes. So just hang on for a little bit. Here's my iPhone 6 Plus. Again, this appears to be affecting only 6 and 6 Plus users. So if you fall into that category, if you see a big fat no service signal in your status bar, or no service message, not signal, in your status bar, then you can perform this too. So now it says slide to upgrade. That's kind of funny. All right, now you're going to put in your passcode, which I'm not going to do on camera, and it is finishing the quote-unquote upgrade. So we'll just give it a few more seconds. And yeah, this takes a little while, so just be patient. But it's worth it. It only takes like 10 minutes max, and then you can have a working iPhone again. That's not too bad. All right, so there we go. Oh, wow, T-Mobile, wow, 4G. Yes, I could actually talk on my iPhone now. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to unlock the device. And also Touch ID works now. Touch ID works. Yes, I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to put my finger right here on the Touch ID sensor. And bam, yes, indeed. We can actually use Touch ID and talk on our phone. How about that? So let's go to settings now. And now you see iOS 8.0. We've downgraded. Just like that.